I was born and raised in the Philippines, and pre-COVID, I used to travel a lot back in the Philippines, at least once a quarter or maybe twice a year. And because of COVID, obviously, this is going to be the first time we're back since 2020.
We will share with you everything that you need to know about traveling to Manila.
Blow by blow account. See you tomorrow.
We've arrived at the Sydney airport. We got here way earlier than usual. We gave it more than 2 hours, but it was very busy. Such a massive queue at the check-in, so we didn't really have much time. We are just now waiting to board. They just opened the gate, and we'll see you soon on the plane. Okay, announcements. All right, let me tell you actually before we board. She's screaming. All right, let me tell you what you guys will need to fly to the Philippines right now. So we are in November 2022. First things first, you need to be fully vaccinated and with one booster shot at least, which means you don't have to take the PCR test. You can still enter without being fully vaccinated, but there are extra requirements like a test or quarantine and whatnot. I'm not sure about that, but we are both.
I completely disagree, whatever it is.
You also need a one health pass, which you can only apply for 3 days before your flight. I tried before that because obviously I want to be prepared, and it didn't.
6 months before.
I did not, and it did not work. So what do you need for that? You need your proof of vaccination, the hotel booking, and your return flights as well. Very easy, and then they send you a QR code, print that off, bring at the airport. There are no more quarantine, as I said earlier. You just have to self-monitor for 7 days. Why did I do that? Stop coughing. And yeah, just print everything. We actually just makes it a lot easier. We printed everything to hand off at check-in. We printed multiple copies as well for all the domestic trips that we're going to do in the Philippines. Not the best for the environment, but it does make it easier for your travel.
The queue is long, so we're just sitting here before we board, and we might as well tell you. There's a reason why no one vlogs at the airport, I think. But anyway, we might as well tell you guys what it's like traveling at Sydney Airport right now. So as you can see, masks are no longer required. I'm not sure on the plane if it is. They never really said anything.
Always optional.
We brought some with us anyway. It is very busy. So, well, not busy as in like you would see in the news where you're stuck for hours. We did have to queue up at check-in for an hour, and then through security was fairly easy, and then now boarding is just your typical. If you would typically arrive at a certain point, add an extra hour in that. So that's what we did.
Don't try and arrive last minute.
No, definitely do not. I am so excited to board. Tickets are so expensive, you guys. Flying to Manila economy would typically cost you $700 pre-COVID, but right now it's $900, and the cheapest you can find at least is Philippine Airlines. I'm sure if you fly like budget airlines like Cebu Pacific and whatnot, it'll be cheaper. It's just really insane right now, so we know, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But we're very excited because we are flying Philippine Airlines. I'm excited for some Filipino food on the plane.
You're getting adobo?
Maybe.
I'm here, so don't you worry, 'cause you know I'll be there in a hurry. Out of the cold into my warm hands in the sun. It's already begun.
We're on the plane. Oh my god, announcement again. Hold on. Alright, yeah, so if you heard that, mask is on the flight, so we brought that with us. And this is what I love about Philippine Airlines, because they have by the window a two-seater. Some planes are 3-4-3. This is a 2-4-2. So Wade and I will not have any seatmates because I go to the toilet heaps and I don't have to disturb anyone. And it's just us. So him by the window, me by the aisle.
And I just sleep, so I don't have to wake up.
Exactly.
With people trying to leave either.
Exactly. So this is perfect. All right. See you when it's meal time.
With a simple mind, we should find some more time. We don't need to worry.
We have made it! We've made it, we've made it. We are at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 2. There are 4 NAIA terminals in Manila. They are unfortunately not walkable, unlike most airports in the world.
You have to catch a bus.
Correct, with different terminals. So, but here we are, just waiting for our bag. All we really had to show was the e-arrival card QR code that we also presented at check-in in Sydney. You can easily have it on your phone, but
You can easily have it on your phone.
I printed it.
To kill some trees and print a copy for
I
me.
know. I printed a copy for, well, Wade and I, but I also took a screenshot of it on my phone. But the screenshot was I took a photo of it from the screen. They also don't need the vaccine certificate anymore as you arrive. I think that's something that changed literally overnight as we arrived. So that makes it a lot easier. But you still need your vaccine certificate anyway for that e-health card. We are just waiting for our Grab. We are just waiting for our Grab that will take us to our hotel. Do make sure to like and subscribe so that we'll see you in our next video for our day 0 in the Philippines. You can watch our video here packing up for the Philippines and here when we flew to Phuket as well.
There's not much left of day 0, but it's going to be fun.
Stay safe and thank you for watching. Bye!